Hi guys, I'm Arun Kumar. Welcome back to the FemLogic courses on optimization. FemLogic Technologies offering 3 courses on optimization: Basic, Intermediate and Advanced Training Model. In this video, I'm going to emphasize mostly on second courses on optimization, that is Intermediate Training Model. I'm going to cover content overview, project offerings and takeaway from this Intermediate Training Model. So let's talk about Intermediate Training Model. Overall duration of this coursework is 60 hours. So who can attend this training program? Third year and final year students who is looking to participate SAE Power events, SAE Supra and P-Cycle and other mechanical events they can prefer, and professional who is already working in sheet metal and plastic components would like to expertise on optimization, they can prefer this intermediate training model. Next, intermediate training model content. Overall, 4 optimization techniques we are covering: topology, topography, free size and size optimization. For topology content, we will cover topology techniques such as stiffness and strength approach, and topology interface and setup in HyperMesh panel, and manufacturing constraints. These are some other contents involved for topology techniques. For topography contents, we will cover topography techniques for sheet metal and plastic components, and topography interface and setup in HyperMesh panel, and manufacturing constraint. These are some other contents involved for topography techniques. And free size and size content, we will cover free size techniques such as continuous and discontinuous optimization and setup and interface in HyperMesh panel. These are the overall contents involved in this intermediate training model. Topology 20 hours, topography 20 hours and free size and size optimization 20 hours. It concludes 60 hours of this intermediate training program. Next, project offerings. Overall, 15 projects involved in this intermediate training model. 5 projects for topology, 5 projects for topography and 5 projects for free size and size optimization. For topology, it's mainly applicable for solid components such as connecting rod, crankshaft, engine casing, alloy wheel, and these are some other components involved in this topology optimization. For topography, it is mainly applicable for sheet metal and plastic components such as BAW, air pillar and B pillar, floor panel and roof panel, door trims, plastic trims, and two-wheeler components such as handlebar, chariot guard, and frame. These are some other components involved in this topography optimization. For free size and size optimization, it's mainly applicable for 1D elements such as rod and beam elements and bar elements, and material properties such as Young's modulus and Poisson ratio optimization. These are the overall 15 projects involved in this intermediate training model. Next, what are the takeaway from this intermediate training model? You will get one-on-one support and online review monitoring system is available, and you have access to our study material, and you can access all our industrial database, and you have opportunity to work in live projects, and finally alternate certification. These are some other takeaway from this intermediate training model. I hope you have enjoyed this video. In this next video, I will talk about third coursework on optimization, that is advanced training model. Till that,